Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city Patna? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I will be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city Patna. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty helps students, don't let them be hustled up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Jupiter IIT JEE Coaching Center in Patna. Jupiter IIT JEE Coaching Center in Patna have acquired 4 out of 5 ratings and the 200 students have given positive reviews about the training offered by the students. Jupiter IIT Coaching Center in Patna is one of the institute which offers the best training to students. This institute also completed 10,000 students and is providing great number of coaching to the students. Alright, now let us talk about the benefits of enrolling in this institute. The very first is the staff in this institute are very friendly to the students so that learning made easier for them and doubts are resolved without any time delay. Secondly, tests are conducted in Jupiter IIT Coaching Center in Patna every 15 days without any time delay. Alright, now let us talk about some contact details. The address of this institute is Road number 6A opposite Moinul Haq Stadium, Rajendra Nagar, Patna, Bihar 800016. Their contact number is 097080384432 and the website of the institute includes www.jupiterpatna.com. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have K Vision classes. Alright, firstly let us talk about the contact details of this K Vision classes. The address of this institute is near Durga Mandir, Boring Canal Road, Patna, Bihar 800013. Their contact numbers are 9835354600 and 0983526543. Their website is www.ksvc.in. Now let us talk about the institute. K-Sing Vision Classes IIT JEE Coaching Center in Patna have acquired rating lesser than 4 out of 5, but the reviews from the previous batches seems good as well. However, you can also check out the features and course highlights in K-Sing Vision Classes IIT Coaching Centers in Patna. So friends, the last institute we'll be talking in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Delta Success Point IIT JEE Coaching Center in Patna. Delta Success Point IIT JEE Coaching in Patna has obtained 4.9 out of 5 ratings and 100 students have given good feedback about the training given here. Get to know about the awesome courses offered in Delta Courses Point IIT JEE Coaching Centers in Patna below, right? Now let us talk about the courses offered by the institute. Firstly, Super Target Batch for IIT along with 2 more competitive examinations. Integrated course for 11th and 12th IIT and NEET 2 years program, which is mostly preferred among the students. And lastly, they offer you 4 years foundation course for class 6th, 7th, 9th and 10th, which students will be able to prepare for their best. Their address is New Kunj Colony, Saketpuri near NMSCH Railway Crossing, Patna, Bihar 800016. Their contact number is 079034544942 and the website is www.deltasuccesspoint.in. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have K-Vision Classes. Alright, firstly let us talk about the contact details of this K-Vision Classes. The address of this institute is near Durga Mandir, Boring Canal Road, Patna, Bihar 800013. Their contact numbers are 9835354600 and 0983526543. Their website is www.ksvc.in. Now let us talk about the institute. K-Sing Vision Classes IIT JEE Coaching Center in Patna have acquired rating lesser than 4 out of 5, but the reviews from the previous batches seems good as well. However, you can also check out the features and course highlights in K-Sing Vision Classes IIT Coaching Centers in Patna.